Hello, friends, my dear brothers and sisters all over the world. Today's message is how to remain peaceful. The Indian approach of remaining peaceful is very simple. They know how to face any adverse situation composedly which comes to their everyday lives and stay relaxed. India is rich in peace and radiates it abundantly to the world. Now, let us see how to develop the habit of the Indian way of tackling the problematic situation and remain peaceful and calm. What are the secrets behind it? How they are doing it? Firstly, we should be remaining calm and cool in any trying moment. This is only possible if we practice it regularly in our mind. Then we should not judge any person, his action, or any situation created by him, because that would lead to the turmoil in the mind and subsequently we would be judged. Some simple facts about the Indian approach are to have ample courage to face any problematic situations. Problems are natural. It is the part of a life. We should know that there is no escape from it. Rather, we have to face it fearlessly. Our approach should be very enthusiastic to go through the problems. A would-be mother should be very enthusiastic about the giving birth of the forthcoming child instead of maternity related pain and other correlated problems. Then only she could enjoy the bliss of becoming a mother. Peace is a process. Actually, it is a journey, but not a destination. To remain there permanently, we have to give a try constantly. It is a chosen path. It is a deliberate path. It is the honest way of living a life. Though it is the true nature of mind to remain peaceful, but due to our greed and other related activities, the mind stays far away from its naturality. It becomes rusted when it touches with the dirty things of the day-to-day life, causing the peace eluded from us, leaving behind a rusted and corrugated mind like iron and copper. Let us think about waterfalls. See how it starts its journey of life. It appears from the womb of the mountain, the mother nature, and proceeds towards the life where we can see its forward motion, listen its pleasant music, and enjoy its dance of joy. Let us notice that it is not at all afraid or hesitate to face the challenges of life. See how repeatedly it jumps from the enormous height and makes a roaring sound of triumph. See how enthusiastically it overcomes the obstacles which appear in the form of boulders, rocks, etc., and moves forward fearlessly. It never deviates from the goal to kiss its ultimate lover, the ocean. Accepting the problems and obstacles peacefully in his course of journey. We are also the part of the same very nature. We should learn to dance and sing in the tune made by the beloved Creator, to remain peaceful in the midst of the problems, obstacles, and disturbances by clinging to the Mother Nature. We have to keep up harmony with her. We should know the art of complete surrender to Him, the Creator, which is the key to the eternal bliss, the way to peace and the path of light. Thank you, my brother and sisters.